Hi, I'm Sharon and I own and run Tutors for GCSE. In this series of little videos, we're aiming to make maths easy. Well, easier at least. If you're feeling like the exhausted, dejected little guy on the left, we're hoping to be able to turn you into the positive, smiley little guy on the right by delivering small maths topics in bite-sized chunks, hopefully to help your revision. If you want to suggest a topic for us to cover in a future video, please do get in touch. You'll find all of our contact details just at the end of the video. In the meantime, I hope you find this useful. Hi. So we're going today to have a look at how to use the lattice method for long multiplication when we have decimal numbers. So we're going to start with 32.52. and we're multiplying by 6.48. The first thing we need to do is just to look at the digits that we have. So forget about the decimal point and just look at the digits. So we're going to multiply 3252. 3252. And we're multiplying that by 648. 648. So we've taken out the decimal point, we've ignored the decimal points altogether, and we're just going to multiply the digits together using the lattice method that we've looked at previously. So if I quickly complete the grid initially, there we go. I've completed the grid. I've done all of the multiplications. All that remains is to add up along the diagonal lines. So below the first diagonal line, we just have a 6. Between these two, we have 8 plus 1 plus 0. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and 0. The next two diagonal lines. So here we have 6 plus 4, which is 10, plus nothing, plus another 2 is 12. 2 down, carry the 1. The next diagonal lines then, we have 1, 0, 2, 8, 1, 4 and the 1 we carried. So if we add the 8 and the 2 together first, they make 10, 14, 15, 16 and that one is 17. 7 down, carry the 1. We then have 3, 2, 0, 2, 2 and the 1 we carried. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 down, carry 1. And between these two diagonal lines we have 8, 9, 10 and 1 is 11. 1 down, carry the 1 again. And lastly, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the digits in our answer will be 2, 1, 0, 7, 2, 9 and 6. All that remains is to put the decimal point back in. Now, initially, when we had the numbers to start with, let's look at how many decimal places we had. We had 2 digits after the point in this number and another 2 digits after the point in this number. So altogether we have 4 decimal places, 2 here and 2 here. So 4 decimal places, and that's what we need in the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's where our decimal point will go. So 32.52 multiplied by 6.48 gives us an answer of 210.7296. Let's have another go. So this time we're going to multiply 12.6 by 3.57. So 12.6 times 3.57. So ignore the decimal points, we're just going to look at the digits. So we're multiplying 126 by 357. So you have your grid, put your diagonal lines in and let's do the multiplication. So Okay, so I've done the multiplication. All that's left is to add up along the diagonal lines. Just have a quick check that your grid contains the correct numbers, that you've done the multiplication bit correctly, and then we'll add up along the diagonal lines. So at the bottom, first one, we just have a 2. Between the next two diagonals, 0, 4 plus 4 is 8. Between the next two diagonals, we have 8, 3, 1 and 7. So 7 and 3 is 10, and 8 is 18, and 1 is 19. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus the 1 that we carried is 14. 4 down, carry the 1. And 0 plus 3 plus 0 plus the 1 we carried is 4 again. So the digits in our answer will be 4, 4, 9, 8, 2. All that remains is to find out where to put the decimal point back in. So we have 1 decimal place in this number and 2 decimal places in this number, which means we have 3 decimal places altogether. 1 here and 2 here, 3 altogether. So 1, 2, 3, put the decimal point in there, and our answer is 44.982. Did you get that? I hope you did. Excellent. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this little video useful. If you did, then please join us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. If you like our pages or follow us, then you'll get notification of any new videos that are published. Alternatively, you can always contact us via social media and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you soon.